Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I am going to make this puff sleeve crop top. This top can be styled in many different ways. Here I am wearing this top with high-waisted shorts as a coat set. If you want to know how to make high-waisted elastic shorts, then you will get the link in the description box below and also at the end of this video. Now let's start making this top. Step 1 is to measure the length and width of top. So for length, measure your round bust and add 10 inches for gathers and 2 inches for seam allowance. For me, my round bust is 31 inches plus 10 plus 2, which is equals to 43 inches. And for width, measure how long you want your top to be and add 2 inches for elastic and plus 2 inches for seam allowance. For me, I want my top to be 10.5 inches long and add 2 plus 2, which is equals to 14.5 inches. Step 2 is to cut a rectangle according to your measurement. Here I am cutting a 14.5 by 43 inches of rectangle. Fold the rectangle in half and cut it along the folded edge. So you will end up having two pieces. Lay down both the rectangles such that their right sides are together. So mark 3 inches along the side seam line and mark 1.5 inches along the upper edge of top. Create a triangle and repeat the same process on other side. You can change these measurements according to your need and cut the triangles. Step 3 is to sew the sides together. Double fold the upper hem of top and sew along the edge and repeat the same process with the bottom hem. Step 4 is to make a tunnel for elastic band. For that, mark and draw a line 1 inch above the upper edge of top. Repeat the same for back also. Fold the fabric from the line that we created like this. And then mark another line half inch above the fold and towards the upper edge. Now sew along the mark and repeat the same for back. We are going to use the elastic of 0.25 inch and this tunnel is of half inch, so it will be easy for us to insert the elastic band. Now press the tunnel like this and sew along the edge. This is what your tunnel should look like. Take the elastic with a width of 0.25 inches. And cut it according to your measurement. Here I am taking 13.5 inches of elastic. Now with the help of safety pin, start inserting the elastic inside the tunnel. Secure the end of your elastic using pearl pin. Repeat the same process for back and secure all the 4 ends of elastic using pearl pin. Now sew the edge to secure elastic and fabric together. Step 5 is to mark where you want your second elastic band to be. I want it to be 7 inches below the upper edge of this top, so I am marking and drawing a line at 7 inches. Make another line below 1 inch and towards the bottom edge. Now fold this second line like this and mark on half inch and sew along that mark as we have done earlier. Press the tunnel and sew on edge and leave some space to insert the elastic. For this one, I have taken 27.75 inches of elastic. You must take it according to your need. Now we will insert the elastic from the space we left while sewing. Secure both the ends of elastic using pearl pin like this and then sew both the ends together. Now close the opening. So our top is ready and it's time to make sleeves. Step 6 is to measure the length and width of sleeves. For that, I am taking the fabric of 20 by 22 inches and then I will cut out the edges from the upper part of sleeves. You will need to cut 2 such pieces for 2 sleeves. After cutting 2 rectangles, lay them down such that the right sides are together and cut out the edges from the upper part of the sleeves in the same way as we have done earlier. Now mark 1 inch on the upper edge of sleeves and then double fold it like this. Repeat the same for bottom hem of sleeves. Your double fold should not be less than half inch as we are going to insert elastic in it. I am taking 14 inches of elastic for shoulder, or we can say upper hem, and for lower hem I am taking 9.25 inches of elastic. Start inserting the elastic and repeat the same process for second sleeve also. I have sewed all the edges. Now fold the sleeve. Wrong side should be facing upwards. Match the side seam together and sew it. Step 7 is to attach a sleeve to a top. For that, you will need to match both the V cutouts, pin them together and sew them. Attach both the sleeves, and if there are any extra elastic end, then remove it. So our DIY puff sleeve crop top is ready. I hope you liked this video and do subscribe my channel if you want to see more such videos in future. Thanks for watching. Bye.